beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm Ina Miriam. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be doing a no mirror makeup challenge. I've been putting makeup on myself for a long time now, so I think I should be able to do it without a mirror in front of me. If you want to see if I can, take on this challenge, please keep watching. Also, please don't forget to subscribe so we won't have any problems. I'm going to start with the eyebrows. The eyebrows frame the face. I hope this goes well. I'm scared. I'm going to conceal around my brows. You know how I do this. Okie dokie. Powders and lids, get ready for some eyeshadow. I'm gonna put this color on my crease. It's from this really old Lancome palette that I think someone gave me. Alright. It's going great, you guys. I'm doing amazing. I'm doing so good. I was born to do this. Put on something on my eyelid. I don't know what color. You know what? I'm gonna do this color on this same palette. Okay. Makeup on Flick. Okay. It's that same color I used as my transition shade on the outer corner. So I'm doing a smoky eye. My eyes are burning. I think I'm applying too much pressure on my eyes. But it's okay. Beauty is pain. End of this video, I don't go blind because I'm very violent with my makeup today. Eyeliner. Big. Oh. Picasso could never, okay? Like Picasso could never. I'm going to put on foundation. And I'm mixing two things together today. My other foundation. I don't know why not having a mirror is making me really brutal with my face. After doing this, I'll probably have a black eye, a broken nose, like a busted lip, because I'm really putting pressure on my face with my brush. I don't know why. So let me try to cheat. I'm gonna look down my nose like that. Oh, that works. I'm cheating. I wish I could look up my eyes like that. Like up. Nope, I can't see anything. But I can see down my nose. I think that's what I would do to contour my nose. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna contour my nose. Yeah. Guys, this is a life hack right here. If you don't have a mirror and you're trying to contour your nose, do this. Just look down like that. Oh God, let me stop. To set. To put on my false lashes, and I got powder all over my lashes because I'm clumsy. Woo. If I can do this, I'm a witch. I'm a witch. If I do this like perfectly, then I'm a witch. Oops. It's not working. I'm about to blind myself. I'm about to blind myself. Okay. Contour. I want to look skinnier than I already do. I want to become a skinny legend. So that's why I'm doing this. Trying to contour myself to death. Alright. Just a little bit of blush. And I don't know what color I'm going to go for. But I want something more defined, so I'm going to go with this color. Right here. To challenge myself, I'm not going to be using, regular old highlighter. I'm going to be using loose highlighter because it's more pigmented and you have to blend it so it doesn't, look crazy. For lipstick, okay? Lipstick time. Lipstick time. I'm so scared. Time to see what I look like. Oh, it's not bad. The brows. This is what it looks like. Do you see the lashes? Do y'all see the lashes? I'm not a witch. I'm not no witch. Okay? Child of God. I'm God's child. That's why I can't do my lashes without a mirror. So no one should judge me. You see the highlight? I mean, highlight for days. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is the full look. I hope you guys like it.